Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today I wanted to share another gift idea that I ordered. This is, I have several journalers on my list, my gift list, and I was trying to think of something that could be fun and unique that they could put in their journals that they might not necessarily order themselves. And I have heard of this shop many times. I've never ordered anything from them, and it takes a little bit to get here, but I did. I placed an order, and this is from the Washi Tape shop. And I have, again, I've never ordered anything from them ever, and I'm not affiliated with them. I get nothing for doing this video. I just want to share some fun gift ideas. Well, to see if it's worth it anyway. So it could be fun to gift a journal plus some special washi tapes that are themed towards what they like, or adding stamps like these alphabet stamps with the journal and the washi tape and a stamp pad, and you know, it would just be a fun little gift that you can customize with their favorite color journal. Like, for example, my next, hang on, I use these Louisville 1917 journals for work mostly, but they're also very popular for like bullet journals and things. So this is my next work journal. But how fun would it be to gift somebody their favorite color Louisville with some fun washi tapes and stuff, and have like a nice neat little package, almost like it was a subscription box package full of little things that you can individually wrap. How fun would that be? That's a good idea. Make your own little special box, you know? Anyway, okay, so I ordered 4 rolls and then, or 4 sets, and then they gave me one for free. And this is the freebie, and I would not have purchased this because this is not something I would like or use, I don't think. But hey, I may gift it to one of you guys. Maybe we'll do that. So, but anyway, so they're let's see. I will link the washi tape shop down below. But again, I don't know anything really much about them. This is my first time ordering. Let's see. Do they have names? Yes. So the freebie was Blooming Beauties washi tape sticker set. So I know that there's washi tape and there's also PET tape, and I didn't get any PET because I don't like that shiny glossy look. I discovered I don't like that look in my journals. So that doesn't mean it's somebody that you're buying it for doesn't like it, because they may, I don't know. But let me show you what I have purchased. So I got a Halloween one. Let's do a Halloween last. Let's do the freebie first. So I don't know how to get in these. I guess I probably should have saved that sticker. So they all come wrapped. I guess they're sets, and they come wrapped in tissue paper. There's just 2 rows. So it looks like there's just 2 rows on this set. Let me, whoop. Well, I guess that sticker is going to come off with it. Okay. So they are washi paper, so that's nice. So, I mean, I guess some of the flowers could be used, but I don't typically use people stickers, and I don't know. I guess it would be okay. So there's one. Does it repeat? Yeah, so it does repeat. Let's see, there's where it starts, right there. And then I've got the washi stickers right here. So that's how much a pattern you get, and then it repeats. So that's one. I'm assuming there's probably a better way to take that off of there, but I don't know what it is. So then here's the other. Oh, did I do better this time? Ah, No, I got a whole person. I got a whole person this time. And then there's that one. So again, the flowers are fun. I'm just not sure about the girls. So, but again, to each their own, right? So yeah, I think I'll probably end up gifting this to someone. If you want this, if you're interested in this, why don't you leave me a comment down below and I will pick someone to send this to. I'll even send you all the wrapping paper and everything. So, anyways, all right. So yeah, I will definitely gift that. So leave me a comment down below, and I will send it to someone. And this one is Petals and Parchment washi tape stickers. Oh, maybe that's a better way to do it. There's different rolls, different size rolls. Oh, these are neat. Okay, so there's 4 rows in this one. These are washi tapes. Are they washi tape sticker set is what it says. Oh, so these are, okay, these are like labels and stamps. These are cute. All right, so they repeat. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different images, and then they repeat. Oh, these are really pretty. I like those. And there's a lot. This is a huge roll. All right, I'll try to go faster. I'll have to swatch these out in my my washi tape sampler book that I made. If you guys want to see that, I'll link that video right there. So there's one, and then what's this one? This one, are they individual stickers? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. This is going to take forever if I can't get these open. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. And they are washi tape, so they are see-through. Let me stick that back on there. They're see-through. And they're soft, and they're not shiny. Ooh, that's gorgeous. All right. Let's see where this one repeats. Okay. So... yep. Okay, so right about there. That's really pretty. What does that say? Yours truly, with love. I don't know. You can read that, but I'm not going to. These are really pretty. And this one is what? The Petals and Parchment. Those are adorable. I love those. Look at that. I mean, you get a really big roll. I like these a lot, actually. I love that flower, those flower ones. So, have you guys ever purchased from the washi tape shop? These don't look like stickers. This looks like just washi tape. Let me see. What? So is this just washi tape? Yeah, this is just a solid washi, which I don't understand why it's not an actual washi tape, like a regular washi tape. Why does it gotta be, why does it have to have a paper backing? Well, let me see if I'm correct. Yeah, it's just washi tape. It could have just been a washi tape roll. But that's beautiful too. I like that. It's got some script and the flowers are beautiful. So there's that one. And then this one, I bet, is the same thing. not the same thing, but like a washi tape roll. Common uses of lavender. Peony. Okay. Yeah, so this again is washi tape on a roll, but it's still pretty. So you could cut little sections. Yep, I like it. All right, there's one. And we should probably go a little faster. I'm sorry, you guys. This one's called Academia Washi Tape Set. So this one has 5 rolls, and they're all the same size, it looks like. So yeah, these are the same. It's on a paper-backed. So it looks like it repeats. There's about that much. Is that about 12 inches or so? So it's just a bunch of books. Those are pretty. Book spines, I guess. So you can make your own little reading journal bookshelf kind of situation. That would be fun. Ooh, that's beautiful. Roses. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, I like that. Instruments and music notes. Very cool. And then what's this? This is just like a decorative edge. That's really nice. It feels nice. The washi tape feels nice. Okay. There's another one. And this one is called Waltz of the Flower Washi Tape Sticker Set. Alright, this one has 4 rolls, and it looks like a couple of them are stickers, and a couple of them are rolls, like tape, washi tape. Oh, whoops. Oh, these are nice. More music. Ton of stuff. Piano. Look at those pretty roses. Those are gorgeous. So yeah, that's nice. Those are stickers. Those are individual stickers. And I wonder, these look like they might not be individual stickers, I think. Yeah, they're like, yeah, okay. All right. Yeah. They're individual stickers. Wow, these are beautiful. How many is there? So it repeats right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are pretty. I hope you guys can see. So 2 sticker rolls, and then there's going to be 2, I bet, washi rolls. So I was right the first time. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. I like it that they all go together too, like the sets go together. That makes it easier, like if you're doing like a layout, like a bullet journal layout, or if you're doing like just a spread, you know, in your journal. Oops. It makes it easier to have everything match, right? Oh yeah, that's beautiful too. I would love a rug like that. All right, one more. This one is Halloween Haunted House Washi Tape Sticker Set. As you guys know, my birthday is on Halloween, so I thought it might be fun to have some Halloween stickers. You could even like go in together with your girlfriends and share, because there's so much here. So much. Your girlfriends. It doesn't have to be girlfriends. It could be anybody. All right. Oh, these are all, I think these are all, okay, wait. I'm not going to say. I think they're all stickers, but I'm not going to say that yet. I just said it anyway. I'm sorry. I got me a pumpkin. There we go. Oh, these are fun. Oh, there's where the pumpkin goes. And I'm missing something else. It looks like. Oh, these are fun. All right, so it repeats there. No, maybe not. I just put it on crooked. So these are individual stickers, so that would be fun for even in scrapbooking to make, you know, in your albums you can make. Oh my gosh, yeah, you could do total album layouts with these, adding these all through your album. Oh shoot. It could just be more of a plain album, like you don't have to have a paper collection. You could just make it like with a colored cardstock or something, just something real simple, or a folio or something. Well, I'm trying to not get that spider off of there, but these are also stickers. Gotta let go, let go, let go. Oh yeah, these are good. There's where the spider went. The twisted branches of the haunted trees whisper ghostly tales to the October wind. Okay, so there is how many there are. These are fun. Okay, go. Leave it there. Don't take it off. Okay. Oh. Hey, look at that little haunted house right there. That's cool. Well, I'm assuming it's on. And the candlestick. These are fun. That's creepy. But yeah, those are fun. I love the candlestick right there with the skeleton hand. Okay. All right. So yeah, these are all of the washi tapes that I got from the Washi Tape shop. And I think they're fun. I think I am going to gift these to somebody, so leave me a comment and I will just do a random comment picker and I will let you guys know. I don't know how. I just decided I was going to do that just now, like when I turned the camera on. So these are the 4 that I got, and they're super fun. So I will list their names in the description box, and I will link the Washi Tape shop, period. And you guys can check them out if you want. Let me know your thoughts. How fun would it be to have a gift from somebody with tapes and journals like this? I know that's still wrapped in paper, but these washi tapes will go nicely with this journal. Maybe not just the haunted Halloween ones, but yeah, how fun would that be if you got a gift like that? That would be good. Okay, let me know your thoughts. What else can I put in my little gift box with washi tape and my journal and letter stamps and maybe a little stamp pad, and maybe I'll do all of that. Maybe I'll make a little gift box and come back and show you guys that in another video. All right, you guys, I just wanted to share with you a gift idea, another gift idea purchase that I have made. And let me know your thoughts, you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying these gift ideas. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.